Okay, so on today's video, and partially more so, I gotta wait for more stuff to show up. But anyways, I ordered a new boot for this right here, and I ordered some new reeds for the bike as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that boot off of there real quick, and we're gonna also see if we can get the reed valve out and check out how the reeds are doing. I just ordered them in case it needed it. I didn't really look at them before, but yeah, let's go ahead and get that off real quick and see what we're working with. And out she comes. So here are the reeds. Let's see what we're working with here. Actually don't really see any problems with those. I'm still gonna replace them just because I did order new ones. But they honestly don't look too bad. They all seal pretty good. Cool. Just noticed that O-ring around there. Might need to replace that, but we will see. So one thing I do want to look at in here, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I kind of want to get the engine down so I can see what the piston looks like. So I'm going to position you guys so that you can see down inside of the cylinder. Okay, I lied. I'm not going to position you guys like that because although it would be really, really cool to get a video like this, I don't have another person to kick the bike over for me while we do that. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to do that, which kind of sucks because I just thought it would have been cool. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the new carburetor boot onto the bike. I guess we're gonna hold off on the reeds for now because it kind of really doesn't need them. I don't see nothing wrong with those ones, but they are there in case we need them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and grab the new part. Okay, and here she is in all of her glory. This is fresh off of the Prime shipping boat from Amazon. I think this thing was like 15 bucks or something. I don't know if you guys remember the original one where I tried to jerry rig some RTV on here and it didn't really work out very well. But yeah, this thing is absolutely destroyed. Can you see that big crack in that? Yeah, you should be able to. Ruined, junk. Don't need it no more. So let's go ahead and get the new one on. Get that little guy on there and get our reeds back in. I'm also waiting on a kit for the carburetor. I need a new gasket for the bowl, and I might try putting new jets in it. Probably not, but we'll see when the time comes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this boot on the bike and we'll be right back. Okay, so I did lie. It has not been a week, but the new reeds aren't here yet. But what did come today was the new carburetor kit from Tusk. So I'm gonna go ahead and I already got the old carb off. So got the old carb off. We're gonna rip the bowl off. We're gonna get the jets out and we're just gonna replace everything with new stuff. So hopefully this will take care of my problem. I guess we're gonna see. I still think it needs the reeds, so if it doesn't run right, and whenever they show up, then I'll throw them in. But if it does run right, then I guess we'll go from there. So let's get into that and see what happens. Okay, so the carburetor is rebuilt and back on the bike. I'm holding the reed valve in my hand right now because I'm trying to get ahead of myself and I almost forgot to film. Definitely forgot to film. But the carburetor is ready to go. She's there in all of her glory, waiting patiently for the reed valve to be put back into the bike. And then we'll go ahead and get the carburetor on. The boot that goes from the airbox to the carburetor, I want to clean because it's disgusting and looks terrible just like the rest of all of this. So we will get to that point eventually, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the carb thrown on real quick and everything else, and we'll be right back. Okay, so carb's back on the bike, boot's back on the bike, other part of the airbox is back on the bike, and she's ready to go. I just threw a new spark plug in it, and it still has gas in it, so I'm gonna turn the gas on, get the camera set up, and we're gonna see if it'll fire up and run any better. So let me get set up, we'll go from there. Almost. ride this thing now and see what she does. So I think that maybe might happen this weekend. We'll see what I have going on. But that will wrap up the first section of the old YZ85 Resurrection. Cool little bikes. I'm excited to get it out in the woods and just see how good it still rips, because I mean, like I said, last time I rode this thing I was probably 11 maybe. So I'm curious to compare it to my 250. I know it's obviously not going to be in the same ballpark, but I don't know, just fun to compare, I guess. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for tuning in once again to check out the old bike. I'm hoping to get some more dirt bike videos for you guys. I'm going to be doing some hill climb videos here. I think my plan is going to be to start a new segment, and I'm basically going to teach myself how to do hill climbs, like the crazy hill climbs, you know, like the crazy ones. So I got to work my way up to that, and you guys are going to be along for the ride. So like I said, thanks for watching again. Check out some more videos if you like what you're seeing. Give me a subscribe. Please give me a like. Share to all your friends, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.